Ndị Igbo ekele m unu na New Orleans ụmụ Igbo Unite nke a na-akpọ UIU anyị na ebe a na-emekọ ife na-apịkọ with ndị a na-akpọ Dashiki Diaries.
I have never in my life seen that many beautiful Igbo women at the same place.
Now, I am super excited because this is our first time here. Ify, what are you looking forward to?
You know, I'm looking forward to all the culture.
So I'm just happy to be celebrating Igbo culture with all my fellow youth. And
I came from Maryland, and I'm glad to be here tonight.
You're missing a lot if you're not here. This is the place to be. The excitement, the fun, just the family, the people. Man, the energy, the vibe, I don't even know, man. What are you doing at home? What can you be doing this weekend? What can you be doing?
What else are you doing?
We've seen everything from rapping to dancing to singing.
Don't touch that dial. Magi very day,